Chat different menu. Sodas at 5. Snacks at 5. Got beat boxes. Here's the food area, chat. You know where we're at? Anyone take a guess? There's a Lego store, chat. And a place called Little Chihuahua. And banh mi. Chat, y'all guess where I'm at? Twin Peaks, San Fran. That's where everyone actually parks. Park right before this. It's more of the city. There's a bridge right over there. I got to run up today. I'll go visit parents. But look, we're here early. That's how it looks right now. Dad, ask me where I'm at. I don't know where I'm at, but there's a carousel right here. And then there's a park over here. They're playing music. Chat reporting live. It's a windy day. 30-mile-per-hour winds. Tree fell. Chat made it to the stadium. They opened in like 10 minutes, but there's already a line. Chat, they got a little play area for the kids. And there's an aquarium right here, look, in the little glass. And they got a slide up there. Can't really see it. 2 slides. Little playground down here. Not really, just a slide. Let's see if y'all can see the fish. Look at the fish. Fish. The 40 section behind the gloves. I'm not getting down there. Well, I'm not going down there because of that, and my hat just flew off. But look, right in front of the Coke, the new digital Coke sign, the glove, they got no back support. That's how it looks. They already hit a ball right here. And keep walking to the stadium. The sun just went down, chat. Say chat, Giants hit the dub. Flying back. New menu. $5. $10. Adult drinks. Cocktails. And that's it, chat. Look what I found. That goes to someone's life jacket. They're just save the life. Alright, see you guys next time.